Do you want to learn how to make a move like this? Well, yeah, that is why you are watching this. So I will teach you how, because this is. Before I start explaining what the stuff in the skill builder do, I should first explain how to get to the skill builder. The process is very simple. All you have to do is join your private, then type in the chat /build. Now you will see this screen. There are plenty of things here, but we will focus mostly on the skill builder in this video. Next, you want to click on the skill builder button. Now you will see this screen, and here you will see the skills you've made, and this screen also gives you the ability to create skills. After you make a skill, and you click on it, you will see this screen. This is the skill builder itself. Now I will start explaining each node one by one, starting with. As you can see, ragdoll is very simple. All you have to do is select one of the targets, then set how long the ragdoll lasts. Velocity is also simple. You use the weights to choose the direction you or others will travel in. And if you put more than one weight, it will divide the force between the 2, 3, or etc. And HTE amount is the amount of force it will have. Target is also pretty simple. All you have to do is scale it to the size you want, and put it where you want, then it will apply targeted to anyone inside the box. This allows for you to use the target's target in things like ragdoll. The unstun block will unstun you, and the stun block will stun you, and you can set a time on the stun block. Ends the move. Moves the target the set amount of distance. It stops any ongoing animations done by the target. Teleports you to the target. Allows you to create VFXs for your move by choosing from the list. It slows the ball down for whatever the duration is set to, and the speed is how fast the ball is. Allows for you to create variants which happen under certain conditions, like if you're on the ground. And if you set expect to false, then it will make the condition for activating reversed, and the variant goes in the box under the if node. And if you put a box node in a box node, click T to edit the box node in the box node. The animation block make it so your character does animations during moves. You can change the speed, and you can also combine animations by playing them at the same time. This allows you to heal yourself or deal damage. Don't ask why I'm added this. I wouldn't know. This allows you to heal yourself or deal damage. Don't ask why I'm added this. I wouldn't know. IDK the point of this block, to be honest. I never have used it. Lets you give targets flow, or remove it from targets. It makes you blow. This block allows you to grab players to make something like Rin's center of gravity, or so you control your friends. Ethier works. Creates a colored afterimage which can be used in many ways. Makes conditions which must be met for a move to work. Makes you invisible. Creates a curve shot. Changes the tint of the screen. Creates noise for your moves. Makes you untackleable until you disable the iframes, by putting any frame block at the end of a move set to 0. Gives you Isagi's metavision. Makes your screen glow, and it gives you 2 options: world, which doesn't work at the time of recording, and vignette, which make the sides of your screen glow. Makes it so when something certain happens, for example, an animation ending, it triggers something else to happen. Lets you create a shot. I haven't used this block much, but I'm guessing it makes it so once the ball is obtained you do another animation, or skill, which is made in its box. Hitbox lets you get the ball if it comes in contact with the box. But if you give a tackle the same name as a hitbox, it will steal the ball on contact with the player with it. Lets you create a counter, using the box under the node. Makes a pause between nodes. Makes targets unable to interact with the ball. Teleports you the entered distance. Makes your screen shake. Haven't used it, guessing it makes the ball bounce off you. Repeats whatever is in its box the amount of times which it is set to. Flashes the screen black and white the amount of times set. That is all the nodes that are in game, so now I will explain how to make some things, starting with place a hitbox right before you kick, then right after the hitbox, put a 0-second wait block after the hitbox, and before the kick. Use a counter and make it so if someone tackles you they get ragdolled. I don't think that there is anything else that is important. If you got confused at any point, just comment asking me to elaborate further and I will try my best to respond to everyone with questions. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day or night.